What is going on, guys? I have not filmed a YouTube video in a long time. It is like 6:05. It snowed all day here. I've been trying to play catch up with this car dealership. Um, I have not filmed a video. I apologize for that. I'm filming a video. There is a no reserve auto auction. If any of you guys are watching this and are new, I am a used car dealer. I have a car dealership along with Caleb in Arizona and then one here in Arkansas. I'm currently at our Beebe, Arkansas location, and there is a no reserve auction. And your boy is going to bid on some cars, meaning whatever they go for tonight, they sell for. So I'm going to show you my screen and show you guys why I would buy some, why I wouldn't buy them, what to look for on some of the makes and models. Every vehicle has pros and cons. I've dealt with a lot of the same type of makes and models. And yeah, I'm going to film my screen, and it might be a long video, but hopefully you guys learn a little bit. And let's get going, okay? Shall we? Lighting's not the best either. It's cold outside. It's freezing cold. I saw a lot of crashes today because it's ice storming. Dallas, there was like a lot of wrecks, some deaths too. So not very good, but a good time to film. Basically, I have a day off because no one's going to buy cars like this. So why not film for you guys? So let me zoom out and let's get going. All right, I hope you guys can see my screen. I don't know. Can you guys see like all of it? Let me do this. How does that look? Hopefully you guys can see my screen. Let's go from here. So we have the auction right now. Let me look at some cars. So these are all live auctions, ACV auctions. It's dealer only. Don't really know if I'm supposed to be showing you guys this stuff because it's dealer prices. But maybe you guys will learn something. Maybe you guys will kind of see what Caleb and I do on a daily basis. Dang, there's a decent amount of cars. So my distance is 550 miles from my zip code. That is a radius. This company will deliver the cars. And they give you a 10-day guarantee as long as they disclose everything, and if something's not right, they give you a 10-day guarantee. So it's a really good dealer-only auction. Any dealers watching this video, check out ACV. It's freaking cool. Let's check out some of these cars. Right off the bat, Dodge Charger. I don't ever buy these. No offense. People like wheels and tires. That's a telltale sign someone younger probably has it, or someone that probably doesn't maintain it as well. This front bumper has been repainted, as you can tell. It is a different color, I guess charcoal gray than like the side and the hood. So it's been hit. Not a big deal really if it's a cheap enough car for what we're doing, which is no credit check financing. People have bad credit. They can't get into a car. They give me enough down, and I'll finance them myself and take the risk. It is a high risk, but if you set it up right, you can do fairly well. So the cars I'll be looking at this lot won't be the same because of that situation or that reason that I would search for in Arizona. A lot of people in Arkansas love trucks too. It's truck country. So I wish I could get some. They're just so high right now. Let's actually start at the top so we can catch some of these before they end. These all start with 20-minute bids. There's no reserve. 286,000 miles. What about this Nissan Altima? These have CVT transmissions. Tend to be very, very risky. Transmission issue. Okay, never mind. You can listen to the engine noise. It's in Monticello though. It's Arkansas. So the shipping would be cheap, but CVT transmissions can cost I think up to $4,000 to fix or maybe to replace. That's continuous variable transmission is what it means, I think. I don't know. Nissan had a fleet of bad CVTs, and I don't really like to buy them. They're very risky. If you do buy them, this has an issue even at 100,000 miles. If you're going to buy one, try and be around the 50 mark, and you get a safe 30 out of it for your customer. If you do find a steal on one, just know CVT transmissions they risky now. They real risky. These are very, very popular trucks in Arkansas, as stupid as it sounds. Some people are probably watching this going, why in the heck would you buy this? I get it. It's a red light because it's over 200,000 miles. The body alone on these, I mean, it's dumb to me, but But it doesn't matter what I think. It's what the customers in my area think, and they love this stuff. I mean, they love it. And they'll do anything. A younger kid about to go to college or graduation present will pay any amount to get one of these. It's insane. Power seats, full wheel drive. Does it run and drive good? I might take the risk on this bad boy. 224 is actually fairly normal. I could paint the rear bumper. Oil is dirty. Is it the 97? 98. 98. Okay, so it is the Vortec. That's the good motor. Oh, engine cranks doesn't start. I don't know why I talked about that so long. Cranks, here's a video. No, boy. She dead as a doorknob. All right, let's see. Too many miles on this. Red light, these are already risky. Was going to say that. Transmission issue. Equinoxes, they're cheap vehicles. They were made cheap. If you get a 100,000 mile one or 130,000 mile one of this 06 or 08 body style, you can probably do okay. As you guys are probably can tell, we don't, I can't buy the 20 of these and put them on my lot here in BB. It just will not be as effective because 20 of those is what? Well, 10 of them is 150 grand, so it's 300,000 for 20 of those at that current price. And I just can't. I mean, I can justify it. If that car's worth 25 grand and there's $10,000 margin, then yes. But they just sit longer in Arkansas. So let's keep looking. Oh, see these? These are all no reserves. So tonight is a no reserve. This is all out of my price range. I don't know why. Oh, I know why. I have my price set low, but I guess since they're no reserve, they start at 0, so they pop up anyway. We have a Ford Escape. These are very bad transmissions typically. Indiana, so shipping to me at this lot would be $700. I mean, it's just, I don't know. I'd want to play it super safe on those. Those are already cheaply made and very risky. Anyway, 05 Camry. These are very good cars. No issue or no transmission issue. Rear bumper, multiple things. Let's look at the photos. It's a green light. Green light means go. Green means go. It's at someone's house. That's kind of good. Typically, ACV is selling for dealership. So this is probably a friend of some ACV worker. You got the bumper super beat up. It's already too much for how rough it is. I could sell it at my dad's lot. My dad's got a little car lot in Pangburn, Arkansas, and they don't care. They really don't care in BB that much, but they really don't care about the body. They just need a vehicle, and they don't even expect it. Here, I have a nice building in BB, Arkansas, which is 20 minutes away. I wouldn't want to put that out there. I want to advertise nice vehicles, keep nice stuff here that looks good. But I understand when my dad does what he does because it makes so much sense where he's at. It's actually probably an advantage being able to sell just about anything, and as long as it's mechanically good, customers are happy. Kia Optimas in Arizona at that Arizona lot. These are hot items, and our car lot is in Mesa, Arizona. So if you guys are thinking about starting a car lot, big cities. These are very, very appealing. These probably sell really well in larger towns. They're very appealing, and you can get them for a very attractive price, and then sell them back for an attractive price to a customer. Here's a 16 with a ton of miles, 185 in Little Rock though. Green light, dude, that is so pretty. Anyone that's gonna stop in, they're gonna assume it has way less miles, so that might mess it up. But for financing it, if I was hey, $1,000 down, I won't pull your credit. How about this 16 model? I could sell that based on that strategy. But a cash buyer is going to be why would I get a 16 with a 185? $99. Yeah. Let's look at this bad boy. TPMS lights, tire pressure light, that's fine. Headliner stain, sunroof, navigation. Jeez, 3,100 already? This is basically what I do, guys. Though. Golly, let me turn this off. This is basically what I do every single day. Caleb and I, we just look for cars to buy. When one sells, we replace it. That's a nice interior. How's the driver's seat? Oh, it's in good shape. 185. That's insane. That thing must have been driven everywhere to do that in 4 years or 5, I guess. Looks good. White. That's the prettiest model too. Look at that. The black, the roof. I'd drive the crap out of that. 3,100. Let's see what this thing's going for. 185. We're not going to be able to find hardly any comparables. I was making. Watch this. Boom, boom, boom. This is how I figure out what they're selling for in my area, so I know that to price them competitively. So what I do is I go on like Car Gurus. I do 2016 Kia Optima. The thing is, it's 185. That might be the only one in like a 500-mile radius at 185. That new. That's insane. Lehigh. C51, that's typical. 75 is typical. 110 maybe. Pretty typical. 107. But, I mean, what are these going for? 7,500? I feel like 31's already kind of high. To be that high that early, someone bumping it up, the dealer's probably bumping it up. Let's do highest mileage first. But yeah, this is what I do. This is how I evaluate. And Caleb, what vehicles are good and what aren't. 179, what was this? 185. So 89.99. Oh, this guy's doing the same thing. 500 down, $305 per month. It's probably what I do. 176 is 7,200. Yeah, I mean, I will literally in 500 miles, I would have the highest mileage one by 6,000 more miles than this bad boy. But mine's more loaded out. That is a. See, this is what he does. This is a. I don't know why you would put it like that, but that's what we do too. I kind of like that though. What did they show? They showed the credit check right there, or I mean, Carfax. Boom, that one's nice. No, I bet that one's rougher. I can see some hazing in the paint. It's just under. Yeah, that one's way rougher. Oh, mine's way better than that. If I get this white one, SXL. I don't know the model. I like those seats. I like those seats a lot. Okay, well, so they have that. They have this price super high because they're gonna get 500 down, and it'll work. 500 down, boom, finance it. Let's go, baby. I get that ball game. They're probably selling more based on 500 down. I want that new car. I want to look cool, and it works. But 3,100, I would go up to like, since it's local, only like 36 because realistically, they got a little Denny poo right there. I got the best detailer in the freaking world. He can pull dents out. He's painting a car for me right now in the back. I'll actually show you guys a couple videos later. And I am super sorry if anybody's watching this going, you have not uploaded in forever. I need to start uploading more. I'm just a one-man show at the BB lot till I can afford to or justify hiring a salesperson. I'm basically like posting the cars, selling the cars, finding the cars. I've got David to detail the cars, and that's about it right now. But in probably like a month, I'll be able to hire someone, and then I can focus on filming, getting cars, documenting more stuff in the advertisement side of things to scale. But right now I'm like 3 people in one, which is fine. Okay, I'm going to keep my eye on that. There's a Porsche. Oh, Ricky, you want the Porsche? You want the Porsche, boy? Ricky Gutierrez. Let's see. But yeah, this is what I do. And by the way, comment down below. Do you guys, let me make sure I'm still recording. Yeah. Do you guys like me filming this? Because this is fairly easy for me. I can just film what I'm doing anyway, talk, and maybe you're learning something because I've dealt with hundreds and thousands of cars. Not hundreds of thousands, but hundreds and thousands, I don't know, of cars with auctions, in-person auctions. Dealt with tons of the same cars with the same issues, so you start to learn. For example, we have an Explorer in the back, and on some of the '02 to like '05 Explorers, when you close the door so much, the wires start to get brittle and break because they get pinched, and then the windows don't roll up and down. That's happened to me like 3 times. This is the third one. But I knew what the issue was before I even bought the car. But things like that, like maybe you guys learn little things like that to watch out for if you guys want to resell cars, if you guys want to just buy a used car but know what you're buying before you buy it. Let me know if this helps you guys in any way. I'm not saying I'm the best by any means, but we do have 2 car lots, and my dad's got a car lot, and I've been doing it since I was 15 years old. I'm 25 now, so 10 years. And the internet's changing the game, so that's why I'm filming YouTube. But yeah, as of right now, golly, 3250. Come on now, buds. This is my favorite one. It's local too, so shipping's not going to cost me much. You have a buy fee in this bracket; it'll probably be $200. So, say it's sold right now, I'd pay $34.50 plus $99 shipping fee. I can go pick it up, but it's not worth the time because I'm a one-man show at this car lot, so I can't really leave the lot. That's the issue I've been having. So. But 16 model, that's a bad boy. That's a bad boy right there, boy. I'm getting messages. Let me see what we got going. Got going on, huh? If you guys also want to, go check out our website. Let me know what you think. Comment down below. Do you guys like the layout? I don't know why it's like this. I was trying to fix this too so it works for mobile and it fits on the screen whenever you pull it up on your cell phone. That I couldn't figure out, but go check this out. This is the BB Lot website where I'm at right now. We're more focused on like $1,000 down, $300 a month for however many months till the car's paid off. You can make a car payment on our website like this. You guys can cash at me through here. I'm just kidding. You can make car payment on our website. We have warranties, extended warranties. Here is the outside of our building. Boom, boom, bang, bang. You can tell it's like older cars, I guess you'd say. But, you know, Toyota Corolla, super reliable, extremely popular in the in the AR. But yeah, check out the website. It is CarstenandMoreBB.com. And let me freaking know what you think. I am watching this one. I might stop this video and then upload another video of me bidding on this car just so this video is not too long because we have 9 minutes left and I would have to sit here and think of things to talk about, do some crazy stuff in between. But yeah, let me pull this up and go back. Let me do this. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I am bidding on cars. I'll be bidding on cars till probably or for the next 3 hours tonight. I do this every single night, and it is, I think, Thursdays, ACV, dealer only. There are no reserve auctions, so figured I would film, especially since it's icing outside and I haven't seen a car drive down the road in the last, like, 20 minutes. I knew I wouldn't be busy at work today. This is what I do. This is what Caleb and I do. Click the link down below. Check out our website. Let us know if we can improve anything. And comment down below. Do you guys like these videos? I said that earlier. Of me just doing what I already do and then talking out loud about like what I don't like about that make and model, what I do like, what to watch out for, why I would buy it, why you might should at a price like that if you found one in your area, or why not. But this is it. I appreciate you guys for watching. I'm going to post this video. Oh, I guess if you're seeing this video, it's posted. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.